Hi, good morning. This is Elizabeth Jacobson, and I want to talk you through the steps for setting up AP Classroom for your AP course. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the College Board website, www.collegeboard.org. Choose AP. And if you already have a College Board account, you can sign in. If you don't, you're going to need to create an account. So you're going to click right here, Create an Account. Choose I'm an education professional and enter your information. Okay, so this will set up your professional account. This information down here is optional. It's not going to impact your AP audit. So it is optional. Where do you work? You're going to put proximity learning. And then your primary job function will be a teacher, AP teacher, K-12. Now, I already have an account, so I'm going to go back to the College Board website and sign in so I can show you the next steps. All right, now once you are logged in, go to your dashboard. You need to register your course through AP Course Audit. If you have done this before for another school, you will need to choose Manage Access to change your school. So this is where Manage Access, you can remove your previous school and add proximity learning. All right, now our AP courses are offered one of two ways. Some are offered through proximity learning, and some are offered through Region 4 in Texas. So you will need to check to see, is your course a proximity learning course or is it a Region 4 course? So things like AP Macroeconomics, AP US Government, AP Statistics. Okay, those are courses that are run through Region 4. Okay, AP Spanish, for example, is one that is a proximity learning course. So your affiliation is going to change depending on what course you're teaching. So reach out to your CSS person just to confirm that. If you are signing up as a Region 4 teacher, then you need to type Region 4 Education Service Center. Okay, Region 4 Education Service Center if your course is through Region 4. Otherwise, you would type proximity learning. Okay, proximity learning, and it would populate it. All right, now once you have done that, we're going to go back to the AP course audit. For most classes, you do not have to upload a syllabus. You still have to upload your own syllabus for AP Computer Science, but for most classes, they are providing the resources, the syllabus, the course outline. So you are just going to add the course. So for example, if I want to add, let's say, Calculus AB, you would add the course, and then you would complete the course audit form, which is just a questionnaire saying, I attest I'm going to be teaching at the Region 4 Service Center. I have read the course and exam description. Um, I understand personal progress checks are formative. Just you understand the terms of using this course. Okay, you type your initials and you submit it for administrator approval. If you're teaching a Region 4 course, please reach out to Elizabeth Jacobson or Mike Cabanis, and we will ensure that they approve your course, that Region 4 approves the course. If you are teaching a proximity learning course, please reach out to Elizabeth Jacobson, and I will make sure that your course gets approved. Okay, this can take 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so it's not automatic. The form has to come to us, we have to approve it, and then it goes back. All right, once it's approved, you will have access to AP Classroom. So you've submitted your syllabus to the AP audit, you've gotten it approved. In the top right, you should see AP Classroom. So it's locked down like Fort Knox. You have to re-enter your password multiple times. So I suggest saving it, writing it down somewhere. Don't forget it. Then once you are in AP Classroom, you will want to add, go to My Classes, a course section. Okay, I've added one as an example, but if you, let's say you have 3 sections, 3 different classes, and you want all of the sections to have a separate AP Classroom, they'll all have a separate join code, so they'll all be in separate classes, that's fine. If you just have, let's say less than 40 students and you want them all in the same class, that's okay too. But you go to My Classes and you click Add Section to add the section. Once the section is added, you and your students will be provided with a join code. Okay, the students go to the this website right here and they enter the join code and they will automatically be added to your class. So if your students are asking for your AP Classroom code, that's what they are wanting. And again, if you're in AP Classroom and you click on My Classes, you will see the join code. Now from AP Classroom, your students have access to formative assessments, to progress checks that you can unlock and schedule. You have access to teacher resources, unit resources. So this is a personal progress check for the students. So this is a great resource to use as you are planning your AP classes. All right, so now let's go back to the AP website because you can also find resources on this AP website. So if I click on courses and exams, to use macroeconomics as an example, if you go to the course page, you will find course content for each of the units, okay? So Unit 1, Basic Economic Concepts, okay, you'll be able to find some resources. It will tell you about the exam, about the course. And then if you go to AP Central as a teacher, you will get classroom resources that you can use. Free response questions from previous years, assignments, PDFs, a teacher's guide, teaching tips, lots of resources. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. The most important things are that you are um, setting up an account with College Board, going to AP Audit, okay, going to the AP Audit website, which you can find in your dashboard. Remember, if you go to dashboard, that's where your AP Audit is if you've been registered at a previous school, make sure you click Manage Access to change the course affiliation to either Region 4 or Proximity Learning. And then once you're in AP Course Audit, make sure you submit your course for approval. I hope this information is helpful. Please send me an email if you have any questions.